Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where we explore cars that changed the game. And today's review is about one of BMW's most futuristic and iconic sports cars, the BMW i8, finished in a stunning red color. This is not just a car, it's a vision of the future blended with performance, luxury, and innovation. Even years after its debut, the BMW i8 still looks like something straight out of a concept car show, and in red, it looks even more dramatic and catching. Asterisk, the first glance at the red BMW i8 immediately tells you this is something special. The low-slung body, wide stance, and sharp angles make it stand out from every other car on the road. At the front, the design is aggressive yet elegant, with BMW's signature kidney grille finished in a sleek, futuristic style. The grille may look traditional, but its design supports the hybrid technology underneath. The sharp LED headlights give the i8 a bold and high-tech face, especially at night when the lighting signature looks absolutely stunning. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic front bumper are designed to channel air smoothly, improving efficiency and stability at high speeds. The red paint highlights the dramatic curves and futuristic lines perfectly. The i8's design is all about aerodynamics, and you can see that in the floating roof design, sharp side intakes, and flowing body panels. The doors open upward in a butterfly style, instantly making the car feel exotic and special every time you get in or out. The large alloy wheels, low ground clearance, and sculpted side profile make the i8 look fast, even when it's standing still. At the back, the design is just as bold. The slim LED taillights wrap around the rear, giving it a wide and aggressive look. The rear diffuser and integrated exhaust complete the sporty appearance. While still maintaining a clean and futuristic design language, Asterisk step inside the BMW i8, and you feel like you've entered a modern cockpit. The interior design focuses on minimalism, technology, and driver engagement. High-quality materials, premium leather, and modern trim elements create a luxury atmosphere that feels advanced and unique. The seats are sporty and supportive, keeping you comfortable while holding you firmly during spirited driving. The dashboard layout is clean and futuristic, with a digital instrument cluster and a wide infotainment display that provides all essential information in a clear and easy-to-read format. The steering wheel feels solid and sporty, giving you a strong connection to the road. Despite being a sports car, the cabin still offers a surprising level of comfort, making it suitable for daily use as well as special weekend drives. Asterisk, when it comes to performance, the BMW i8 delivers a unique driving experience. It combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, creating a hybrid system that offers both efficiency and excitement. Acceleration is smooth and quick, with instant electric torque, giving the car a strong push off the line. The transition between electric and petrol power feels seamless, making the driving experience refined and enjoyable. The handling is sharp and balanced, thanks to the low center of gravity and lightweight construction. Whether you're driving in the city using electric mode or enjoying open roads, the i8 feels responsive, stable, and engaging. It may not sound like a traditional supercar, but the performance is more than enough to put a smile on your face. Asterisk, in terms of pricing, the BMW i8 sits in the premium sports car category. When it was new, it was positioned as a high-end hybrid sports car, and even today, it holds strong value in the used market because of its unique design and advanced technology. Ownership costs are lower compared to traditional supercars, especially when it comes to fuel efficiency. But maintenance and parts can still be expensive due to its advanced engineering and limited production. Asterisk, if you're considering the BMW i8, this car is perfect for drivers who want something different, futuristic, and stylish without going fully electric. It's ideal for people who appreciate innovation, design, and a balance between performance and efficiency. My suggestion is to buy the i8 not just for speed, but for the experience, because this car is about standing out and enjoying something truly unique. Asterisk, that brings us to the end of today's detailed review of the BMW i8 in red. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed and honest car reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Car Updated, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.